Hello everyone, in today's video we are just going to start report. We will work on report. So before starting I just quick remind you what we did learn till now. So we just starting with table, how can create a table, and we created a table with demo name. So while creating a table we know that we have two mode, and that is database data sheet view and design view. In data sheet view we can insert the data or we can do anything with data. That data is inside in table, or the data that save in table. And in design view we can design anything with table. While creating any table, creating any column in table, we also need to we also need to learn which type of data we need to do, or data type we need to select here. So we just complete all these, and after that in last class what we did, we just import a Excel file in Microsoft Access, and that was the student data record. And in this we just quickly use ascending and descending order, selection order are also there, and how to delete a particular record or how to insert a record. We just covered all these. So we have the data. Now what we want that key that we want to create the data record in we want to generate that data record in the form of report. So we will start with report wizard. So here let's start. So in create tab we have the group, and that group name is report, and in this group here is the option report wizard. Just click on the report wizard. So this is the report wizard. We need to follow all the steps in report wizard. So in first one what we need to do, here we can show all the tables which are available on my current project. So if I will click on this combo box, then there is options. There are two tables. The first one is demo. I can also see these two tables here also. Here are two tables. So it is also saying two tables. So all the table will show here. You just need to select your particular table. Now which column you want to select for generating the report. So if you want to generate all the column report, then click on these two arrow symbol. Now click on, and if you want to revert them, then you have option. If you want to select the column one by one, then you will use this option like that. First name, last name, I want also gender, class, section I don't want to know, so left them. Father name I want, date of birth I want, section, then father name, then date of birth, like that. And if I want all column, all field, then just within single click I can select them. So I select all the fields, click on next, and here is the options. So do you want to group anything? So yes, I want to group with class, so I just use class. So according to class these will comes like third, fourth, fifth, sixth, that you can also add any of the group level. So now click on next. If you want to arrange the particular column record in ascending descending order, then you can use that option from here. I want to arrange the class, and so here is the class. Okay, class is for group, so it will not show here. So whatever we will select inside group, so that will not show here. So I want to arrange them in admission number, that will fine for us. And left other I just left, click on next. Click here the formatting for printing, so you can use any of them. I just use spread. Click on next, and then click on preview, click on finish. So now it is the preview for your record. So this is the preview. For next record you can click here in navigation area. Here is the navigation area, and total are 441 records. So you need to click here to find 441 pages. So you need to click here like that. So now how we can manage that particular report before printing? Suppose are there some wastage of space are also there. Then what we need to do, we will click here, from here, and here we will come on design view. So here is the design view. So in design view we need to manage that particular reports. So how we can manage? Suppose I just repeat, he is in what report view. So report view are there, print preview is there, layout is there, design view is there. So if we will do anything, then we can use design view in design. So design view is there. So design view is there, we can arrange anything. What, suppose we want to increase or decrease the particular text box size. So just click here, click on design and come on the project report and click on layout view. So here is the layout view. So in layout view we can also arrange the column width or height, column size. So but in design view you can also do. So in design view there is something difficult. So we can do this with the help of click on design tab, then click on layout view, and here we can easily use this option, because if we will click here, so we have the border, and in border if we will click, so we will able to do that particular task like that. Suppose this is the class, and in this class what I can do, what I want in class, okay, class is in group, so it is not with this one part. So I need to click here, then serial number is there, admission number is there, you can click here like that. After that first name, student first name, so you can arrange them like that. So you can do this task easily in which view? In layout view. And in design view you have the format like that. First you need to select all these options from top to bottom or bottom to top, then you can do with at once, or you can do separately like that. When it will convert into arrow, then it will be work like that. Here is the admission number and here is the first name, so you can arrange them like that. Serial number is not showing, so just click here like that. Class is there, so you can reduce the size of the class class box. So admission number is there, serial number. So manually you can do with here, but in a simple way you need to use layout view to do that particular task like that. Like section, gender, you can change anything in gender, change the or reduce the column size in gender, and you can move from the next one also. Like here is the problem. If you will move this from left to right, so here is the problem, so you can solve out that easily, that problem, like you can do that like that. So you can easily manage the report before printing. So this is with the basic working with what how we can generate a report. After that just come to the design tab and do whatever you want to need, you can use. Your report is ready. When you will click on you will generate the report, you will also find the page setup option, and here you can give the print command if a report is ready according to you. Thank you.